because a lot of ups and downs. Traditionally, February has not been great for the markets, but this time was even worse, wasn't it, Sharath?
Exactly, and there was a little bit of punishment, or I could say a big punishment for the anti-AI trade, as analysts talk about, especially the IT index, which I'm talking about. Today is, of course, the last day, but it's been a very rocky month. If you look at the larger IT plays and even the Nifty heavyweights, some churn was happening all across, but no major clear trend has been coming in. AI disruption, that is something which will keep the market on the hooks for the coming months as well. But the Nifty IT index, look at the decline, it's 20% down. I'm talking about rupee terms because after that there's an interesting dollar return analysis on that. This is the biggest monthly decline since September 2028. Let's just show how February has panned out, and it has not been that good. It's been red. Nifty 50 or 6 out of 10 times. Even the mid caps and small caps have taken a beating, historically speaking. IT and FMCG also make it to the list. Look at the average returns. This is the downtick coming in, almost 3% down, and of course a good pressure coming in this year as well. But other sectors as well which you should be watching out for, where it's even Stevens when it comes to real estate, and for banking and metals also we see it has been in the red. Largely, the returns have been flat for these segments. I can't see a single green in the screen, and that's kind of surprising as well. But nevertheless, it is flattish here. But auto, that's also something to look at. That's down 3.5%. But this is much more interesting for you because I have done anti and AI trade, both of them. To keep things in perspective, it's in dollar return. Kospi, 20% up. Taiwan TAIEX, that's up 11%. Remember, there's an emerging market and the AI theme being played. Nikkei, there's a Takaichi trade, and that's down. That's up almost 9%. Nifty index, actually dollar has helped, and that's actually 1.4% up if you compare that. And of course the Nifty IT index and Nasdaq, compare them. Nifty IT index 19% down dollar terms, and Nasdaq, there is a little bit of confusion in the AI space, that's down 2.5% as well.
Okay, so it's been I think really frightful Feb, if for nothing else. And just think of it from the Indian perspective. You started with the budget, a bit of concern there after the budget. That gets recovered. Then you have the India-US trade deal inked. There's euphoria there. Then you have this AI trade coming in. So much back and forth.